Dear children, we had studied the previous worksheets, worksheet number 2 and worksheet number 3 in the previous class, in which we had a study about the verbs and adverbs. We also studied about how to convert adjectives into adverb by adding suffixes. I have already discussed about the suffix and prefix in the previous class. This time we have to study about the adjectives through worksheet number 4. In worksheet number 4, the first instruction given here to read the passage and to complete the table given on the next page by arranging adjectives showing number, quantity, quality, size, shape, color from the passage. Columns are given, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns are there. In separate columns you have to write the adjectives, whatever it denotes, whether number or quantity or quality or size or shape or color or related nouns. First of all, I would like to take you to the definition of adjectives and how to identify it from a given paragraph or a given sentence. Most of you know about the adjectives. What is adjectives? In previous classes you also learned it. When we talk about the adjectives, the definition also occurs in your mind, or you remind the definitions and the kinds. Adjectives. The simple definition we all know, that the word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Here some extra definitions are given, that the adjectives are modifiers. They modify nouns or pronouns. This means they change the image of a noun or a pronoun. How can you locate adjectives in a given sentence? You can locate it by asking some questions like what kind, which one, how many, how much. As example, you can see a car here. You can see a car here. Just imagine it. Some questions must raise in your mind, that what kind of car is this? What is the color of the car? How long or short, big or small this car is? So answers also occurs in your mind. If you ask question that what is the color of this car, you can say it. What is the size of the car? It is big, it is long, or longer or bigger, whatever it is. So these all answers, what do you get? These all are adjectives. See the second picture. This is a car which is used in a race because it runs very fast. Fast here you can say adjective. Old fashioned car, old here adjective. Broken car, this also describe the quality of the car. Broken car, new car, old car, green car, this express the color. So you can say an adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. What kind of dog? Happy dog. What, which one, and how many? These all are the questions you can ask and find the reply. What the answer do you get? That is adjective. Happy dog. Which one? The tired boy. How many girls? The 7 girls. And so on. The most important thing I would like to express here, that how to find an adjective. To find an adjective in a sentence, first of all you have to find the noun or a pronoun in the sentence, because it describes it. Some examples are given here. 3 happy children played at the park. The donkey stepped on my large hat. The child was brave. You can see the underlined words and this words circled. Happy children. Children. First of all you have to locate the nouns. So 2 nouns are there. Children and park. The word which describes the noun here is happy. Happy children. This was the quality of the children. So happy is adjective. Large hat. The donkey stepped on my large hat. Hat is noun. And what kind of hat? So large hat. Large is adjective. The child was brave. What kind of child was there? The brave child. This describes the quality of the child. So brave is adjective. Some more examples you can see. We saw the grey elephant at the zoo. Grey elephant, which describe the elephant. What kind of elephant? So grey elephant. Slow turtle. The rabbit followed the slow turtle. This describes the turtle. What kind of turtle? So slow turtle. This shows the quality of the turtle. Slow. Slow is adjective here. He found 2 pennies on the ground. Pennies. This is a currency. So 2 pennies. This shows the quantity or number. This is adjective. Adjective of number. Loud bell. Brown dog. Tall man. These all shows adjectives. Now back to the worksheet number 4, in which one paragraph is given here and you have to find some adjectives which express the number, quality, quantity, size, shape, color, etc. Related noun also in the previous text or worksheets I have expressed and taught you, explained how to find out the noun or the related adjectives, related nouns from the given sentence. Here, Nikki, Mr. Arya's small, fair and elegant daughter, is 10 years old. She is energetic and curious and shows great interest in her father's invention. A small, fair and elegant daughter. Daughter is noun, and a small, fair and elegant. A small shows the shape, fair shows the quality, elegant daughter, it also shows the quality of the daughter. Is 10 years old. 10 shows the number. She is energetic and curious. Energetic shows quality. Curious shows quality. Shows great interest in her father's inventions. She studies in 6th standard. 6th also here shows number. She is sharp and confident. Sharp and confident. Quality. She keeps her room very clean. Though a small shows shape here. Her room has some beautiful furniture. Beautiful shows quality. She has a round brown table. Round shows shape. Brown shows color. Table is noun. A small red chair. A small shape and red color which describes the noun chair. Large rectangular bed. Large shows shape. Rectangular bed. Rectangular shape also. Large shows size. Bed and a big steel almirah. Big shows size. So different adjectives describing number, quality, size, shape, color are given here. Now I hope you can find all the concerned adjectives from the given paragraph. If you have any problem, you can ask your questions. I make you sure to make you understand each and every problem what do you have. The next question, write the adjective form of the following nouns. First one has been done for you. Now you have to convert given nouns into adjectives. To convert these nouns into adjectives, here suffixes also help us. Suffixes, you already know, the letters which are added after the word to convert the form of the word. Here we have to convert a noun form into adjectives. Some words are given: nation, sun, affection, child, rectangle, beauty, danger, gold, hope, year. How do we change it? By adding suffixes. Sun, what will be the adjective form? Sunny. Sunny day. Day is noun, and sunny describes the quality of the day. Sunny day. Affection. Affectionate. ATE. ATE is used as suffix here and change the form of the word. Sunny, NY, is used as a suffix here. There is no any particular rules expressed to use suffix in a given word. To change the form, you can add it suitably, which describes a meaningful word. The next one is child. Child. Child is noun. What will be the adjective form? Childish. DISH. ISH is suffix here. Rectangular. Beautiful. Dangerous. Golden. Hopeful. And yearly. Yearly examination. So many suffixes are used here to change the form of the word from noun to adjectives. Accordingly, suffixes can be used to change the form of the word. Now worksheet number 4. I hope you all understood very well. If have any problem, can ask your questions. You should not have any hesitation to asking the questions. Okay? Don't hesitate. Frequently ask the question if you have any type of doubt or question in your mind. I am here with you to clear all your doubts or the questions. The next worksheet is 5. What do you have to do here? The exercise is given. One paragraph is given here and the instruction to read the passage about Mr. Arya's robot. Sid is a human robot. Mr. Arya created him 2 years ago, and ever since he has been a member of his family. He looks like any other 8-year-old boy. Sid is more efficient than any other ordinary boy. He can learn faster than any of them. He is the best machine in the world. Given below are some clues about what Sid can do better than other children. Change these clues into proper sentences. First one has been done for you. See, 2 words are given here. One is read and the other is fast. And the sentence, Sid can read faster than any other child. One adjective here, fast, which is changed into faster. The same way you have to convert all or frame the different sentences with the help of the given clues. Sid can read faster than any other child. Sid can learn quicker than any other child. Sid can speak louder than any other child. Sid can work more efficiently than any other child. Sid can clean better than any other child. Sid can dance more beautifully than any other child. So one thing I would take your attention here, that faster, quicker, louder, more efficiently, better, more beautifully, these are the words used in these sentences, which are adjectives and the changed form of the adjective. This is called degree. In the part of adjective, we also study about the degree, where three kinds of degrees are there. They are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. As example, fast, faster, fastest, quick, quicker, quickest, loud, louder, loudest. More, we add more or most to frame some or convert some words into comparative and superlative degree. That is based on the syllable of the word. Syllable of the word. More or most are used to convert those words which have two or more syllables. The words which have two or more syllables, we use more or most to convert them into comparative and superlative degrees. Now you can do this worksheet number 4 and 5 in your copy and show me. I want to see whether you have understand the lesson or not. Do in your copy and post your answers in the group so that I can go through that and check that how many of you have understood it. Okay? Thank you. Do this just now.